Nothing like the gloomy days of monsoons. Although every season is equally beautiful with its offerings, but the slow vibes of the rainy days have its own charm. So, welcome back to another chapter of Pre Cozy Pages. I have been overloaded with ideas and imagination by my mind to create and discover new things about my capabilities. Have you ever thought, what if you were supposed to do something else rather than what you are doing now? When we were small kids, somewhere in our mind we knew what is our talent and what are our skills. Eventually, we grow up, and with time, in the cat race, we forget what we were good at. This whole summer and monsoons, I've been making kanji. So many videos kept popping up for making kanji early this summer, and we made a practice of having this healthy fermented drink. All these fermented food and drinks, which has been there in our history from Vedic times, has its own benefits. I definitely am not very skilled at it. That's why I use premix spices for this, but it gave me an idea to start a kitchen series for my painting. Just thinking, what would I have achieved if I had dedicated my whole life to this skill of mine? If you have been watching my vlogs, you would know that I'm stocking up to sell my paintings and art pieces. While piling up each piece, I get overwhelmed by the fact that how much I have discovered about my skills in this whole journey. Even though it is still too soon because I'm still learning, but I think it's a never ending process. I really wish when I was a small girl, when someone applauded the scribbles and the doodles on my school copy and complimented on it, I should have taken it seriously and made a journey through it. It probably would have been difficult or smooth, but so is life. This series of painting, which I have been mined, has an intention of reminding us to stick to our roots of traditional Indian food. Something like making achar or murku or pakhal bhat for that matter. There are so many such food which is becoming obsolete, and I am just using my skills to remind us of that. The vegetables which is left out, we have it like a salad. So I am done with the painting of Kanji and मैंने इसका process share नहीं किया है because I wasn't sure कि मैं जो process follow कर रही हूँ वो सही आएगा या नहीं and whether the end product is going to be as what I had thought in my mind. मैंने इसके लिए एक chopping board लिया है and it's not a used chopping board, it's a new chopping board. I basically had to buy a new chopping board because as I mentioned that it is for किचन सीरीज मैंने इसके ऊपर न्यूज़पेपर चिपकाया है because as you all know I really like putting textures in the background of my paintings, so I gave texture with the newspaper on this and plus the obvious feeling of having a chopping board that also goes away, although you can see it's a chopping board, and I will show you guys that how it came out. I think I will just take a nice shot after this. The only reason मैंने कांजी का proper process इसमें लिखा नहीं है because different सब्जियों के different processes होते हैं और different ingredients होते हैं. This is a beetroot kanji which I have painted here, and the main process is by putting it into the clay that I have written, and just let me know if you guys like this series. What if I had discovered that I like to capture vibes and culture of any place I have visited in my paintings? There are so many places I have stayed and visited in my whole life, but I could not capture the essence of those places in my paintings. What if I was confident enough to capture the mood of any place in my paintings in those days when I had stayed in Rajasthan for so many years, or I had visited Kerala? All these are bursting in my mind with imaginations to create more and more. And what if you all had supported me in this by giving a like or subscribing my channel? It really means a lot and boosts my confidence. So, this is an essence and vibe of Pushkar in Rajasthan, and I dream to have a wall full of such collection. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I'll see you all in the next vlog. Bye bye, take care, and much love from Dinah, Zara, and Titli.